equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and an anti-static wrist strap. These tools will help you safely and effectively replace the battery in your Toshiba Portege. First, power off your laptop completely and disconnect it from any power source. This is crucial to avoid any electrical hazards during the process. Once powered down, flip the laptop over to access the battery compartment. Next, locate the battery release latch. Depending on your Toshiba Portege model, this may be a sliding latch or a button. Gently slide or press the latch to release the battery. If you find this step challenging, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can always reach out for assistance. After releasing the battery, carefully lift it out of the compartment. Take a moment to inspect the battery for any signs of damage or swelling, which could indicate a need for immediate replacement. If you're unsure about the condition of your battery, consider our quote before repair service to get a clear idea of costs involved. Now, it's time to install the new battery. Align the connectors of the new battery with the slots in the compartment. Gently press down until you hear a click, indicating that the battery is securely in place. Ensure that it is seated properly to avoid any connection issues. Before closing the compartment, it's a good idea to clean the area around the battery. Use a can of compressed air to blow out any dust or debris that may have accumulated. This will help maintain optimal performance and prevent overheating. Once the area is clean, replace the battery cover by sliding it back into place or securing it with screws, depending on your model. Make sure all screws are tightened properly to avoid any loose parts during use. Now, flip your laptop back over and reconnect it to the power source. Power it on and check if the new battery is recognized. You can do this by navigating to the battery settings in your operating system. If everything is functioning correctly, congratulations! You've successfully replaced the battery in your Toshiba Portege. If you encounter any issues during this process, remember that we offer pickup and delivery at your home. This means you don't have to worry about calls or travel. We'll come to you. Our team is here to help you with any technical difficulties you may face, ensuring a hassle-free experience. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.